A nation divided, Trump's abortion policy in focus. Donald Trump's 2024 presidential campaign has thrust the issue of abortion back into the national spotlight. Trump's stance is clear. He believes abortion decisions should be left to individual states. This position resonates with his conservative base, but it has also reignited fierce debate across the country. The Supreme Court's landmark 2022 Dobbs decision, which overturned Roe v. Wade, created a legal vacuum that continues to complicate the abortion debate. Trump's approach, while seemingly straightforward, faces a tangled web of legal challenges and political pressures. The post-Dobbs landscape is complex, with ongoing court cases and regulatory decisions that will shape the future of abortion access. Trump's administration will be forced to navigate this intricate terrain, making choices that will have far-reaching consequences. The nation remains starkly divided on the issue of abortion rights. Pro-choice advocates argue that women should have the right to bodily autonomy and access to safe and legal abortion services. On the other side of the spectrum, pro-life groups contend that abortion is morally wrong and should be restricted or banned altogether. Trump's stance on states' rights adds fuel to this already volatile fire. Legal battlegrounds, mifepristone, emergency abortions, and federal funding. The legal landscape surrounding abortion is a minefield of ongoing battles. A lawsuit challenging federal regulations on mifepristone awaits a decision from a Texas judge. This case has drawn national attention, with the Supreme Court expressing skepticism about the plaintiff's standing. Another battleground centers on emergency abortions. The Biden administration challenged Idaho's abortion ban, arguing it violates federal law. The Supreme Court may soon consider a case involving federal funding for family planning programs. Biden's legacy under threat. Reversals and restrictions loom. The Biden administration, during its tenure, implemented several policies aimed at expanding abortion access. These measures include requiring employers to provide time off for abortion-related travel and strengthening patient privacy rules for reproductive health care. However, these policies face legal challenges from conservative groups. The Trump administration could choose to reverse these policies, effectively dismantling Biden's legacy on abortion rights. The potential reversal of Biden-era policies has sparked outrage among pro-choice advocates who fear a return to a pre-Roe era where access to safe and legal abortion is limited. They argue that such reversals would disproportionately impact low-income women and women of color who often face greater barriers to accessing healthcare. The debate over abortion is ultimately a debate about fundamental rights and freedoms. Pro-choice advocates view access to abortion as essential for women's equality and autonomy, while pro-life groups believe in the inherent right to life of the unborn. Trump's stance on states' rights places him squarely in the middle of this heated debate. A House-divided anti-abortion pressure and internal conflicts. Despite largely accepting Trump's position on leaving abortion decisions to states, anti-abortion groups are actively pushing for more. They are demanding a complete reversal of Biden-era policies and advocating for further restrictions on abortion access. These groups are urging the Trump administration to actively support state-level abortion bans and limit access to abortion medication. Adding to the complexity, Trump's appointment of Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as Secretary of Health and Human Services has generated unease among some anti-abortion activists. Kennedy's past support for abortion rights has raised concerns about the administration's commitment to their cause. This internal conflict highlights the delicate balancing act Trump faces as he attempts to appease his base while navigating the intricacies of abortion policy. When pressed for specifics about his administration's abortion policy, a Trump transition spokesperson reiterated the campaign's commitment to states' rights. However, the spokesperson stopped short of outlining concrete policy decisions, leaving many questions unanswered. The future of abortion access in America hangs in the balance, and the outcome of this debate will have profound implications for generations to come.